I'm Paul Lemley, one of the partners at BC Construction Group. I'm here today to help with an important issue, creating a safe space for our students to learn. I like being outside. I like the clean air, the sunshine. I feel safe and able to focus on what I need to do. How can we get this environment inside a school building with the reality of the pandemic? The good news I have for you is that in facing this pandemic, all this work that has been done in the past has created techniques and technologies to address this COVID-19 issue. Many of us have worked for years in creating healthcare and laboratory environments where we had to control viruses, bacteria, mold, and even toxic chemicals and gases to protect the people in those buildings. It is obvious that our schools need the same kind of protection for students and staff. They need a clean, sanitary environment, not only for their physical health, but also to allow them to focus on learning without stress or anxiety about contracting a virus. There are two main areas to consider when operating, renovating, or creating a new facility. First is having the right flooring, walls, ceiling, and furniture surfaces that are easily cleaned and disinfected. This should be addressed at the time of the design of your space. Clean and disinfect these surfaces often as you operate your building. Creating a high level of indoor air quality is also important. Do this by killing and eliminating airborne viruses and other contagions in the building. Our team has been working with our engineers, architects, and organizations such as the American Society of Heating and Refrigeration Engineers on creating indoor air quality that works during this time of the pandemic. Technologies and techniques in use in the medical facilities are exactly what we can apply today in our education facilities. These would include the proper air filtration through HEPA filters, viral and bacterial destruct technologies such as ultraviolet light and ionization, air circulation patterns within the building, creating the proper airflows and pressures between rooms and within the building. Also, increased outside air inclusion to get fresh air into the building and dilute concentration of some of these viruses or bacteria. These technologies can be applied in your existing facility as well as any new facility you're contemplating. In your existing facility, work with your facility management team. If you're considering a new facility, work with your designers on incorporating these technologies into your new facility. If you need some help with addressing any of this related to COVID-19 or viruses in general, we'd be happy to help. Please contact us and we will be happy to assist you in caring for your existing facility or the design and construction of a new facility where the concern for virus and pandemics is greatly reduced. Thank you.